What happened to India's lunar lander Chandrayaan-2? Chandrayaan-2 is the second lunar mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. The mission was launched to explore the moon's south pole, and India becomes the first country to attempt a landing on the moon's south pole. The mission was planned to study the shadowed moon craters, which is thought to contain a huge amount of water deposits. Chandrayaan-2 lifted off from the Earth in July 2019. The rocket used for this mission is GSLV Mark III, and it is considered India's powerful launch vehicle, with a payload capacity of 4,000 kilograms. The rocket launched the payload successfully into a geocentric orbit. The payload consists of an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. By using an onboard propulsion system, the spacecraft gradually raised its orbit. A smooth launch has given the spacecraft an extra dose of life. After 22 days of orbiting the Earth, the spacecraft started its journey to the Moon. After performing a lunar orbit insertion burn for 29 minutes, the craft entered the Moon's orbit on 20th August 2019. After 12 days of orbiting the Moon, the lander separated from the orbiter, and it started orbiting the Moon for 3 days. On 6 September 2019, the lander started its descent, with a speed of 1.8 kilometers per second. The lander Vikram is powered by solar panels, and it uses an 800 Newton liquid engine to attempt a soft landing. The lander descent as planned, and a normal performance is measured up to 2.1 kilometers. At 2.1 kilometers, the communication from the lander to the ground station was lost. Since the Moon's gravity is not uniform, the spacecraft descends slowly. The gravity suddenly pulls it fast to the ground. After facing 15 minutes of terror during the landing, the lander crashed into the Moon. Now ISRO is ready to launch a new mission named Chandrayaan-3, which contains a lander and a rover. If everything goes as planned, ISRO will again attempt a soft landing on Moon.